Hai guys, dimanapun kalian berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kali ini saya dapat kesempatan lagi di makeover oleh produk Chanel dengan tema natural makeup untuk dipakai sehari-hari. Tipe kulit saya berminyak, sensitif, berjerawat, dan bekas-bekas cacar. Setelah wajah dibersihkan, gunakan base lip balm dan foundation.
Use a little bit of bronzer and a touch of powder. We'll sort of do that, then we'll move on to your brows, eye makeup, and then lips. So that bit there. So if you work it into your hand, see it's got that creaminess, but then it goes to like a soft powder finish slightly. So it's really nice and long lasting.
Bronze makeup base, creamy dan lembut banget.
An angled brush, and this helps even more to get that contour. So generally the ideal face shape is oval, so when you contour it's trying to create that look. So
how many colors?
just comes in
just
one colour. Yeah,
okay.
one colour. Yeah, if you turn your head slightly you can see that you get that soft, that soft contour.
Do you have like a stick or something like that, the contour?
No, we don't. So we have this. Contouring is just using a colour that's like 2 or 3 shades darker than your natural colour. Before it's always been foundations or powders that they've used. It's only a more recent thing where they've started using like bronzing sticks and stuff instead. So yeah, all it is a bronzer.
Okay.
We just repackage it all differently. So. So I'm building up along here because that's where you're naturally more sun-kissed anyway. But nice and glazed, isn't it? So generally it's always so your bronzer, your highlighter and your blusher goes in the middle. You want it all to sort of blend together, sort of sleek. So you can see already, just using that light colour, you're getting that definition there. And then I go in with the darker colour, and then that's to fill in any areas that are more sparse. So like here, just a tiny little bit.
It's more natural.
Yeah, it is. Much more natural.
Ini primesado, lembut dan natural.
So you can see it's really soft, really delicate. And I'm going to layer these on the top. So again, really natural,
Yes.
soft and pretty. And then now I'm going to build up the pink, so this is going to give it that brightness. A little bit of blusher now, just to finish off the look.
Okay, cleanser water. Okay, beginning.
So then the iron lip makeup remover.
Okay, makeup remover.
That one's one of our best sellers as well. That's amazing. That
Oh,
product.
that is a bestseller.
Yeah. And then we use dual moisturiser. So solution 10 for sensitive skin.
Moisturizer, sensitive skin.
And then this is your primer, the LeBlanc primer. So that helps a look in moisture.
Yes.
Then concealer. And then the foundation in the shade 40.
Number 4.
Perfect. So we then added a little bit of bronzer. So that was with the Bronze Universal.
Okay, it's bronzer.
And then set everything in place with the translucent powder.
Translucent powder.
And then we moved on to your brows then. So that's when you use the brow.
This is bronze.
That brush with it.
Rosy.
Then the brow gel. This is when you realise how many products there are.
Yes, that is a
Brow gel.
brow
So
gel.
that's the clear
Yes, that
one.
is brow gel.
Then eye makeup. So cream eyeshadow.
Okay, my shadow.
Then the eyeshadow palette, Tissot Camden.
Yes, shadow palette.
I didn't use any of the white colour though, but if you wanted to, you can to add brightness. But to
yes.
keep it softer, I used those other ones. A little bit of the Cassis eyeliner,
This is
the
eyeliner.
dark purple one. And then this is Dimensions mascara.
Oh, Dimension mascara.
Then Pretty Pink lip liner. And then number 482 Rose Malicious Rouge Cocoa lipstick.
This cocoa lipstick.
And then finally the blusher, Rose Initial. So there you go.
Yes.
Any other questions at all?
No, it's always perfect look at that. I'm ready for dinner.
You can take your hair down as well, see how it
Okay,
looks then.
that's right.
You can relax. It's all over.
There we go.
Perfect.
This is better now.
Terima kasih sudah setia di Uni Leisure Channel. Jangan lupa subscribe dan tonton video-video leisure lainnya. Cheers!